In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare for your website. This guide will walk you through pausing Cloudflare's services globally, which effectively disables its proxy, CDN, firewall, and SSL TLS features. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Cloudflare dashboard. Use your usual credentials and access the main interface, where you'll see a list of your registered domains. Pick the domain for which you'd like to disable Cloudflare. This will take you to a specific page related to your selected domain, housing various options for customization and settings. Once you've entered your domain's main page, navigate to the Overview tab. This tab is particularly essential as it provides you with a holistic view of your domain and all the services running under Cloudflare. Now keep scrolling down until you find the Advanced Actions section. It's crucial to explore this area since that's where you'll make the necessary changes to pause Cloudflare. Within Advanced Actions, you'll find an option labeled Pause Cloudflare on Site. Click this option, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Take a moment here to ensure you're ready to proceed, as this action will pause Cloudflare's functionalities for your site. If you're certain, go ahead and confirm the prompt. Now, what happens next is quite simple, yet significant. By pausing Cloudflare, you effectively stop the service from proxying any traffic to your site. This means that any requests made by visitors will be directed straight to your origin server, bypassing Cloudflare's infrastructure. However, it's important to note that even though Cloudflare stops its protective features during this pause, your DNS settings remain managed by Cloudflare. So, while it doesn't provide its usual security and optimization services, Cloudflare continues to route traffic to your site through its DNS management. Typically, this process completes within 5 minutes or less, allowing you a swift transition from Cloudflare's globally paused state to your direct server connections. Remember, this option is particularly viable if you ever need to troubleshoot, conduct maintenance, or make certain that direct requests reach your origin server without Cloudflare's intervention. While it does put some of your site's security defenses on hold, knowing how to pause Cloudflare gives you greater control and flexibility when handling specific website operations. That's it for today's walkthrough. You now know how to effectively disable Cloudflare's services globally for your website. As always, if you have additional questions or need further assistance, feel free to consult the Cloudflare support portal for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.